What if we could harness the power of big data to revolutionize medical research? Imagine the possibilities when every byte of data helps to unravel complex health mysteries. Today, we delve into the insights of Dr. Hwa A Lim from his keynote lecture at the intersection of the annual World Congress on Molecular and Cell Biology and the International Biotechnology Congress. Dr. Lim explores the pivotal role of big data in medical research, emphasizing the transformative approach of randomized controlled experiments and A/B testing. The journey of randomized testing began in the 1920s with Ronald Fisher, a statistician and biologist who laid down the fundamental principles and mathematics of A/B testing. Fisher's initial experiments were agricultural, yet the framework he developed became a cornerstone for various scientific fields. By the 1950s, this method had permeated the medical sector, introducing clinical trials that have since become the gold standard to establish causality in medical research. The 1960s and 1970s saw marketers adopting these principles to gauge the effectiveness of direct response campaigns, providing a broader application of Fisher's work. The digital age of the 1990s marked a significant evolution in A/B testing. Now conducted online, in real time, and at a scale previously unimaginable, these experiments utilize vast internet-wide cohorts. The control group and the treatment group are subjected to different variants, A and B respectively, allowing researchers to observe varied responses and establish causal effects efficiently. Dr. Lim highlighted the power of the connected world in contributing to big data. The anonymity of data submission, the honesty of user actions over their statements, and the rapid, controlled environment for experiments underscore the shift from mere data collection to insightful, actionable analysis. He humorously noted that instead of surfing, we are now surfing the internet, providing data for the new landowners to harvest and monetize. This brings to light the double-edged sword of digital data accumulation. Reflecting on the thoughts of Sidney Brenner, a Nobel laureate, Dr. Lim reiterated the crisis in biological research. Despite the overwhelming influx of data facilitated by technology, there is a dire need for theoretical frameworks to make sense of this information deluge. In his forward-looking statements, Dr. Lim compared the evolution of telecommunications from 1G in the 1980s to the promising capabilities of 5G in the 2020s. He outlined the exponential growth in connectivity, speed, cost efficiency, and battery life, drawing a fascinating parallel to the human brain's ability to establish connections, illustrating just how much we can achieve with advancements in technology. In conclusion, the insights shared by Dr. Lim not only underscore the robustness of randomized controlled experiments and A/B testing in medical research, but also highlight the broader implications and benefits of big data. As we continue to navigate this vast sea of data, the integration of robust theoretical frameworks will be paramount in transforming potential into real-world solutions. The future, indeed, holds the promise of not just understanding, but also mastering the complexities of both data and life itself.